Hi, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the exciting realm of creating AI-generated talking videos. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, you can now create captivating videos that will capture the attention of millions. Stay tuned as we take you through the exact steps to create these viral videos. This takes only few minutes to create. Let's get started. The first tool we'll be using is leonardo.ai. This incredible AI platform allows you to generate lifelike images based on your prompts. Simply visit leonardo.ai and provide your email ID to access the platform. Once inside, click on Launch App and select AI Image Generation. Now, it's time to write your prompt. This should be a description of the image you want the AI to generate. For example, you can specify a young businessman or any other character you desire. Remember, you can change the person based on your preferences. Now you can select the highest dimension for the best quality and choose the DreamShaper V5 model. This will ensure superior results. Once you're ready, click on Generate. You'll receive 4 AI-generated images. Take a moment to browse through them and choose the one you like. When you've made your selection, click on Upscale to download the image. With the AI-generated image in hand, we'll now move on to creating a script for our video. For this, we'll turn to our trusty AI companion, ChatGPT. Simply paste the provided prompt or customize it to your liking, and watch as ChatGPT works its magic. It will generate a captivating and informative script that will engage your audience. Now that we have our script ready, it's time to bring our video to life using the image we generated with the power of AI. To do this, we'll need the assistance of another tool called did.com. Head over to their website and sign up for a free trial. Once you're in, click on Create Video and select the option to add the AI-generated image. Now comes the fun part. Choose the perfect voice and style for your video from the available options. Take your time to browse through them and find the combination that best fits your desired character. You can even preview the voice before making your final selection. Once you've found the golden combination, hit that Generate Video button. You'll be shown the number of credits it will consume. By default, you'll receive 20 credits, but you can either purchase more or sign up with a different email ID to receive an additional 20 credits for free. Finally, the magic unfolds before your eyes as your video comes to life. Once it's ready, simply download it and get ready to witness the quality that sets your video apart from the rest. Congratulations! You've now learned the step-by-step process of creating AI-generated talking videos. By utilizing the power of AI tools like leonardo.ai and did.com, you can create visually stunning and captivating videos in just a matter of minutes. Remember to add those captivating captions using CapCut and enhance the video quality with the VN app on your phone. Now it's your turn to join the AI domination revolution and share your AI-generated masterpieces with the world and skyrocket your channel. But, wait a moment, if you have watched until now then, I have a gift for you. All you have to do is, like this video and subscribe this channel. Leave a comment saying that, I subscribed, and I will personally select one person and send a cash prize of $50. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.